Hello, my lovelies. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I am gonna be doing the tutorial side of my channel. So basically, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be following a tutorial and seeing if it actually works, and if I will be seeing if I could recommend it to you. So the tutorial of today are gonna be an eyebrow and eyeshadow tutorial, and I'm gonna start off with my eyebrow tutorial, which is gonna be I'm going to be following Lola Bello. I hope I said that correctly. I'm sorry. So yeah, it was posted 9 months ago. So that's the one that I am gonna.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
So
thank you all so much
ado,
for the
let me
love
just
on
get
my
straight
previous
into
vlog,
it
which is the
and
first on this channel. I
start
appreciate the love so much, guys. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to draw a perfect looking eyebrow. Guys, this is important. It is important. So guys, I'm spending a lot of tea, so sit back and watch this video.
Those look pretty good though.
So guys, the first thing I do when drawing my eyebrows is I use a brow tamer. This is the brand I use.
So this tutorial is gonna be for beginners, and I'm definitely a beginner. I've never put I've just done makeup on myself like once. So this is basically like the second time I am doing it on myself. So when I say beginner, I am most definitely a beginner.
I figured out that when I use excess of this, or when it comes to my skin area, it becomes oily, like that part becomes oily, so I make sure I use very little amount of this. I rarely trim my eyebrows because they grow really late, so I don't trim my eyebrows often. So now the important things to consider when doing your eyebrows is the starting point, where the eyebrow acts and where it stops. So you have to start from here, the inner corner of your eyes. You see that right here? It acts here. You look straight. Trace it with your eyeball, the black one. You just trace from this part of your nose, the black eyeball, and then where the pencil lands is where you draw your arc. So right here, and then it acts here, measuring from this angle, stops here, and then it stops here. Yeah, so drawing it, you want to draw a stroke, a straight line. Make sure it doesn't extend beyond your natural lines. And then this is where it should stop. It shouldn't exceed that point, and you should make sure it gets to that point, else your eyebrows will look awkward kind of. So now the next thing I want to do is to draw the upper outline, but doing this I have to ensure I don't start from the front, because then my brows will look so artificial. So I'm gonna start from here.
This brush is not doing it.
This is the hack, so
it's not doing it.
Hack to be, and then you join. So the next thing I want to do is the other side. The next thing I want to do is to gently use this pencil to like draw some strokes.
Let me just pause it because she's really ahead of me. I don't remember making marks this side. I think I'm going to have to like reduce my arc here because it's really fat. Okay. I think my eyebrows are gonna be a lot chubby. Oh God, I'm not liking them. What do you guys think? I don't like the outline already. So let me just mark these. Okay. They actually kind of look alike. That's what I like. So far not so bad. So now she's coloring in with a few strokes within the lines that I've made. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I think that's enough. Let me do the other eye. That's not bad, but they're not as perfect as hers. But that's not what I was expecting because it's just like one of my first days.
I really like this brow gel. It gives me that natural look. I'm sure you guys would see when I'm done applying. It gives me that natural look. I just brush my eyebrows.
Oh, yeah, that's what you say.
Just like I'm doing now. So the next thing I want to do is to highlight my eyebrows. I use eyebrow concealers. So for the
I think I'm ruining the shade.
I'm gonna use cool.
This one is just really chubby. It's just too fat. But I think I will try to fix it. This is not smooth sailing. Not at all. Not at all. Not proud of myself. Okay, so she's using a light concealer. Hers is Cool Tan and mine is Purge Beige. Yep. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using. Let me just squirt out a little bit on my hand here. Okay.
So I'm just gonna take a little portion of this, put it behind my hand. I like to use a flat brush because it just gives you the exact position you want. So
I'll use this one. Let me just wipe what I used, product from before.
Trace the eyebrow.
Okay.
If you're not really good at this yet, I'd recommend you go, gently, because if you're moving too fast, you won't have that straight and neat line. So just.
But why is she saying she recommends? I feel like she should be saying that you should do this and that. You should do this and that because she is our teacher. We came here for her. We came here for her to teach us. So she should just be like, yo, you should do this and that because I'm a beginner. I do not know what to do. So she shouldn't be recommending. She should be telling us what to do.